Phasefold is a purpose-built audio comparison tool for mixing and mastering engineers who want faster decisions and less bias in the process. Loading files in Phasefold is simple. Just drag and drop them into the main workspace. Waveforms appear immediately, and Phasefold begins analyzing each track in the background. As that analysis completes, the track cards and analysis views update automatically. In the absolute EQ view, you can compare the overall spectral balance of every loaded track. In the LUFS view, you can see loudness over time. If you want to compare tracks against a reference, select the ref flag on the track you want to use. Once a reference is selected, relative EQ shows the tonal difference between each track and the reference. Relative LUFS shows the loudness difference against that same reference. Before making critical listening decisions, you can loudness match the tracks so you are comparing the processing, not just the level. That makes it much easier to judge tonal balance, dynamics, and impact without being misled by a louder file. If two versions of the same song start at slightly different points, you can correct that with a start position offset. Once the offset is set, playback, loop regions, and the analysis views all follow that alignment. That makes direct comparisons much more useful, especially when you are evaluating the same section across multiple versions. When you want to remove expectation bias, start a preference test. Choose the tracks you want to compare, then set how many trials you want for each pair. Phasefold shows the total number of trials up front, so you know exactly what the session will involve. When the test begins, visual identifiers are hidden, so you can focus only on what you hear. You can audition tracks A and B as many times as needed. Once you have heard both, choose the version you prefer. If you want to focus on a specific section, set a loop region before starting the test, and Phasefold will keep the comparison centered on that part of the song. When the trials are complete, Phasefold shows the results so you can see which version actually won. You can save the results, copy them to the clipboard, or email them directly.